After 4 months, do I regret getting the Eargo Neo Hi-Fi? We're going to find out. So it's been 4 months that I've had the Eargo Neo Hi-Fi, and I did an initial impressions video that I'm going to put in a card at the top of this screen. I'm also going to put that at the end of the video as well. And that's really going to drive home a majority of the points that I'm going to make here today. The short answer of whether or not I would get the Hi-Fi again is yes. It is dramatic how much it changes your quality of life. For example, being out in public and having a conversation with somebody close by while being able to listen to everything going on around you is huge. It's a complete game changer in how you live your life on a day-to-day basis. It's things like that that you really gain a true appreciation of when you have the ability to hear again through such an incredible device. For me, it's conversations with people like my wife, who has a very high-pitched voice, and she speaks very softly. To be able to hear her is incredible, and be able to go out to places with her and be able to hear the things going on while listening to her is something that I value incredibly. And the Eargo Neo Hi-Fi has helped me with that. Another thing, and this is going to strike home with anybody who has a hearing loss, is that fight over the TV is gone. You can bring the volume of the TV down. You're no longer going to be in a situation where you're constantly in an argument over the volume. Your partner, your spouse, whoever it may be, complaining that the TV is too loud. That's a thing of the past with the Neo Hi-Fis. But this really comes down to not just the product itself. It's not just having these. This is only part of the equation. The other part of the equation is the service that you get with Eargo with regards to these products. Because this is Bluetooth enabled, at least the case is, you can work directly with an audiologist over the phone. You can do it over video conferencing through the app itself, and they can dial in various settings on your Eargo Neo Hi-Fis in order to make them perfect for you. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I've been having some issues with my right ear. It's believed by my ENT that it is Meniere's disease. So my issue with this ear has been constantly changing. Sometimes my hearing is better and sometimes it's worse. And it comes and goes in waves. Being able to call up Eargo and schedule with an audiologist is invaluable to me, because I can have these things adjusted whenever I need them adjusted. And I don't think that there's any other company out there that does that. Now, having been with Eargo through 3 iterations, and you can see this again in my initial impressions review, sound quality is just phenomenal. I mean, there's no way around it. Each iteration has gotten a little bit better, but the Neo Hi-Fi, for people in my situation who have moderate, kind of teetering on the edge of severe hearing loss, these things are absolutely amazing. I mean, what they're going to be able to do for you is incredible. Just keying that in and the amount of tuning that they can do is incredible. The sound of music is so much better now that I have the Neo Hi-Fis. It was good with the Neos, but the Neo Hi-Fis made it that much more incredible. And the other thing is 90% of people with tinnitus or tinnitus have hearing loss. That was how I discovered my hearing loss was as bad as it was, as I went to get checked out because of tinnitus. And the great thing about the Eargo Neo Hi-Fi is it dramatically reduces the amount of sound that I'm hearing, that constant high pitch hissing, buzzing sound in my ears that just drives me crazy. It's now one of those things that's far more tolerable in life. I could go on about features and benefits of this product, and I could break down every last bit of what this product can do for you. But it's really something that you have to do for yourself. And this is not just a review, of 4 months. I mean, granted, I love them. I'm very, very happy and very, very excited about having them. And I would tell people hands down to certainly get Eargo devices. But it's about quality of life. It's about making that change so you're no longer feeling isolated. So you're no longer socially removing yourself from situations because you can't hear. It's about re-engaging with life and re-engaging with the people that you love around you in a way that's very profound. And I really hope that people can see that, and that this video somehow compels you to go ahead and make that jump and to get hearing aids, preferably Eargo, but high quality hearing aids that are going to help make that huge impact and change in your life. Now, there's a link in the description below, and that will take you directly to the Eargo website. I'm also going to put it on the screen probably for the entire duration of the video, just so that you guys have it handy and you can write it down or look it up while you're watching this video. But please use that link, because it does direct you to Eargo, and it also shows them my support of their company, and I do get some financial benefit from it as part of their affiliate program. I wouldn't join something like this if I didn't believe in it 100%. And I absolutely do, without a doubt. There are very few products that'll stand behind to this level. Now, if you have any questions about the Eargo Neo Hi-Fi, the Neos, even the Eargo Max, please let me know and put them down in the comments below. Also, with this video moving forward, I'm going to continuously update any promotions. They'll be in the description. Any promotions that they're offering at the current time. So with that, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.